Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist, and here is my newest book, Learn to Draw Cartoons. World's easiest cartooning book ever. I loved putting ever in the title. But anyway, it is. It's the world's easiest cartooning book ever because we concentrate on the basics all through the steps. It's not just 2 steps or 1 step. Every step shows a lot of constructions, and then the finish looks really cool. You see actually how you put into the process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. I mean, we're really focusing on that. But today I'm going to show you an original character with the steps and how we come at that. It's a guy character in a front view, and how by keeping it simple you can create personality. By keeping it simple you create personality. Most people think you must complicate things, and you don't. So here is sort of a kind of a thin egg shape. So the basic shape is important. This is the construction shape. This is where we start, and the neck is medium. It's not too skinny, but it doesn't start at the jaw, which is right about here. All right, so now we're going to do the center line where we kind of bifurcate this into 2. This is the only time I ever get to use the word bifurcate, so I wanted to put it in. And here is the eye line. It's kind of close to the middle of the face, which is actually accurate on real proportions for real people. So I'm going to have this guy kind of smiling and looking off to the side. So I'm going to have kind of horizontally shaped eyes, like so. So you see how it's not round. These are horizontal, but the pupils are ovals. Ovals up and down, not sideways. Ovals up and down. Now let's have some long and flat eyebrows that are thick. Thin characters can take thick eyebrows. It's a nice look. Long bridge of the nose, tip, and the nostril indicated. Now let's have the smile go up on one side only, and a shadow under the lower lip. Rather than drawing the whole lower lip, just a little shadow. Now let's bring this face down a little more to give him a little more room for his chin. That's better. I'm going to do a little erasing. And the ears, which are usually low on a cartoon character, will be a little higher on him because he's a little older. He's like a 20-something kind of guy. So his ears are a little higher. Now this is not the proportion for a real person. A real person, the ears are higher still. But that's not him. He's a cartoon. And he's got a part right here. So we start with a part. Instead of just drawing hair, we start with a part, bring it down this way, and here. And bring it out to almost a point and in. So see, we're building out from the construction. The hair gives it extra size. And we'll flop it over. And we'll flop it over part of his eye and straighten it this way. We have kind of a style, which is kind of nice. We'll break it up a little bit so it doesn't look like one solid mass. And now we are really ready to draw the character. We've got everything in place. Take time, get the guidelines, get the construction, some eye expressions, and we're ready to go. The horizontal eye, and now that oval. See? Same thing on the other side. We try to repeat that. If it's a little different, it's not bad. But generally, make them look pretty similar. And a nice thick eyebrow on top for a thin character. Like that. Bridge of nose is rounded, but we're not going to bring his nose way out here because we want to have kind of a small nose. So just the tip of the nose will indicate, and a little bit indication of the nostril. A little bit of a smile, not too much. Because what happens is if you just show a little bit of it, the viewer kind of brings their emotions to it. And they go, oh, he's smiling, and they feel it the rest of the way. So you want to let them participate. A little bit of a shadow, and let's bring this down here and angle off the chin, bring it down here, angle off the chin, and a thin neck, like so, but not too thin. As you said, it's kind of medium. And the ears come out, but they don't really flap out there like on some funnier character. You see, he has a little more subtlety than that. Here is the part. You can break it up a little bit. There's some sketchy lines here to make it look kind of casual. Same thing on this side. And break it here and kind of soften the edge here a little bit. Soften it a little bit so it's like a hard angle. Bring it up because it doesn't just fall, it comes up a little bit. And then bring it back around. Again, a little bit sketchy. Kind of break up the hairline a little bit. And you might want to add a little shadow under the chin. And there you go. There is a very simple but effective character. Again, my book is called Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. And I really believe it is. I think you'll really enjoy it. Lots of characters, all in color, lots of steps. Well, I really enjoyed doing this, and I hope you enjoyed it too. Please subscribe. I have new videos every week. Take care. Bye-bye.